Are you a student looking to save time, get better grades, and even earn some extra money online? Then stay with me because in this video, I'll show you the top 5 free AI tools every student needs in 2025, how to use ChatGPT to handle your homework like a pro, and how to make up to $100 a day using AI all without showing your face or needing any tech skills. Let's go. Top 5 free AI tools for students. Let's kick off with the top 5 AI tools that are 100% free and game-changing for students. 1. ChatGPT free tier for everything academic use case. Essay writing, summaries, research, explanations. Tip: use prompts like explain topic like I'm 5, 10 years old, or summarize this 3-page article in bullet points. Bonus, paste in your professor's instructions and let ChatGPT structure the assignment for you. Visual, ChatGPT in action with example prompt plus output 2. Notion, AI smart notes and homework planner. Use case, turn rough notes into structured summaries. Tip, create a daily planner that auto-generates tasks using AI, Visual Notion. Dashboard with AI note summarization 3. Grammarly fix your writing. Fast use case, grammar, spelling, clarity, tone checks. Tip, great for improving essays, assignments, and emails. Visual, Grammarly editing a paragraph. 4. 11 Labs. Free version turn text into voice use case. Convert notes into audio to listen while walking or revising. Tip, use it to hear your study materials instead of reading. Visual text-to-speech demo, turning text into realistic voice 5. QuillBot paraphrasing genius. Use case, rewriting content in a better, unique way. Tip, great for avoiding plagiarism and polishing ideas. Visual, QuillBot paraphrasing example. With these 5 tools, you're already way ahead of most students. But let's take it a step further. Part 2. How to use ChatGPT for homework. Let's talk about how to use ChatGPT the right way to finish your homework faster and smarter. Step 1. Use specific prompts. Don't say, help me with math. Say, explain how to solve quadratic equations with step-by-step examples for a beginner. Step 2. Ask for structuring. Help prompt. Give me a 5-paragraph essay outline about climate change with introduction, body, and conclusion. Step 3. Use it to check your work. Paste your assignment and ask, can you review this and suggest improvements in grammar and flow? Remember, don't just copy and paste. Use ChatGPT as a smart tutor, not a shortcut. Visual, before and after versions of an essay with improvements. Part 3, make $100 a day with AI as a student now. For the part you've been waiting for, how to make up to $100 a day using AI tools as a student. 1. Sell AI-generated study guides. Use ChatGPT plus Canva to create nice-looking notes and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachers Pay Teachers. Target niche topics, yeist anatomy notes for nursing students. Potential $5 to $20 per guide. 2. Voiceover freelancing. Use 11 Labs to create voiceovers and sell services on Fiverr or Upwork niches. YouTube voiceovers, audiobook reading, ad narration. Potential $10 to $100 per project. 3. AI shorts. Creation use Pictory to create YouTube shorts or TikToks about trending topics. Monetize with affiliate links or grow your channel toward YouTube. Partner program. Potential viral shorts equals views plus affiliate commissions. 4. Resume writing. With AI, use ChatGPT to create pro resumes and offer a service to classmates or online clients. Potential $15 to $50 per resume. You don't need to be a tech genius or have fancy equipment. Just use your creativity and these free tools to provide value. Visuals, Fiverr, Etsy, Gumroad dashboards, Canva exports. So there you have it, 5 free AI tools that'll boost your productivity, help you crush your homework, and even earn you real money on the side. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And comment below, which AI tool will you try first? See you in the next video.